This is the 10th in a series of mini lectures on the topic of internships. And I just want to go through a few examples with you. Students get very confused about the possibilities of internships in their particular fields that they're interested in or in their majors. And so we'll look at some things. This will not be totally exhaustive. I mean, it's just going to be some examples. But, okay, so for example, you might be a marketing major and you're looking for a marketing internship. You don't want to just say, I'm looking for a marketing internship. You want to find something specific within the marketing field. So possibilities include sales support, social network, that says marketing, should be marketing, customer support and customer service, front desk management at a company. So these are some examples. These are keywords that you might want to take these and search these within Indeed.com or some service like that to see what comes up, and then read the job descriptions and see if that's of interest to you. Accounting internships. Again, an accounting major shouldn't just say, I want to do an accounting internship. You should nail it down. You can look at tax return preparation as a possibility. You could look at internal audit. Internal audit is a great entry-level position in accounting, and any solid entry-level position can kind of be tailored or modified to be an internship. We're looking at professional experiences within our major, something that connects to what we're studying. External auditing at a CPA firm, financial analyst work. These are all possibilities. Again, I put these terms out there to help students do some searching, to do some keyword searching, and then to read the job description that comes up, the job posting, see if that's of interest. Finance internships. There's another list. We've had students, for example, come to me and say, well, I want a finance internship. I said, what do you want to do within the finance world? You could be a credit analyst, for example. You could work in a lending department at a bank. You could do personal financial planning or support the efforts of a personal financial planner. You could work at a stock brokerage firm. We've had students work for E-Trade, for example, or Merrill Lynch. You could work in the treasurer's office in your local municipality. That's a finance type job. You could get a job at State Street Bank in Boston, an internship that is. They hire a whole bunch of interns, especially in the summer. That's a mutual fund company. You got to look at some of these key terms and do some searching and read the job descriptions to see, is that of interest to me, and that you can work this into your search. I'm going to show the rest of these slides for other examples of areas of concentration, but it's sort of that sub-unit under these. So MIS, which is Management Information Systems, I have had a lot of students do help desk internships, where they help troubleshoot the problems that professionals within their firm are having using computers and software and using the network. Some students are very interested today about entrepreneurship, and we're lucky at my university. I'm at the University of Massachusetts Dartmouth. We have a Center for Innovation and Entrepreneurship, and it's actually an incubator, and there's small startup companies in there, and some of our students have gone in and interned in those startups, and they've learned about the challenges of the entrepreneur. So they might provide support to the incubator. They might provide general office support in a startup situation. General management internships could be in a variety of different areas. You might find yourself working in the HR department. You might be working on benefits coordinator. You could be just a management trainee. I've had students who are very interested in retailing, and they've some of them have landed internships like at Nordstrom, the department store, or at Target. And basically they're put into a management trainee role, many of them in the summertime, to learn how to manage a particular department. Very interesting work for someone who wants to go into retailing, supply chain management. So again, these are keywords you could use to search on the internet using something like Indeed.com. See what comes up. See what possibilities are there I'm not saying you go and apply for these right away, but read the job description so you can see the various possibilities. This also helps you down the road when you're looking for a permanent position.